My name is Rosella Black and I work at Westminster Reference Library, which is an arts and performing arts library in the West End. Tonight's project is called Pencil It and is a narrative illustration graphic workshop. Two artists trained a group of 26 people to draw. The workshop was followed by a talk about the history of comics and techniques in illustration and graphic novel. You can find out all information about the events that we do on the Westminster Library's website, which is westminster.gov.uk.